Excessive electronics and gadgets. It's tempting to bring every gadget you own, but overpacking electronics can be a costly mistake. Many of these items add unnecessary weight and clutter to your luggage while increasing your risk of theft or damage. Stick to the essentials like your smartphone, a power bank, and maybe a lightweight laptop if absolutely necessary. Gadgets like portable printers, multiple camera lenses, or bulky gaming consoles might seem appealing at first but often go unused. Instead, opt for multi-purpose devices. For instance, most smartphones today have excellent cameras and plenty of storage for games or entertainment, making other devices redundant. Remember to factor in chargers, adapters, and cables, which can quickly become a tangled mess. Investing in universal adapters and compact charging hubs can help keep things organized. This approach minimizes the risk of leaving critical pieces behind at your hotel or airport security checkpoint. Security is another concern when traveling with expensive electronics. Ensure your devices are insured and always keep them in your carry-on bag, never in checked luggage. Not only does this protect your gadgets, but it also lightens the load of your checked suitcase.